Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this cold front which is going to give us cloud and rainy weather for much of your Friday over parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, where scattered to widespread rainfall is possible along the coastal areas. Then towards the evening hours, the cold front should spread the rainfall into Western KwaZulu-Natal. In the meantime, isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast this afternoon across the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, pushing into much of eastern South Africa as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be mostly sunny for the western interior. Now we are expecting widespread rainfall for your Friday along the eastern Cape coastal areas, spilling into the Wild Coast, and scattered rainfall as well as thundershowers can be expected where you see the dark shade of blue. Isolated precipitation is forecast in the areas you see the lighter shades of blue. Now, afternoon temperatures are going to look more like this. Highs in the lower 30s across much of the northwest and Limpopo, but it's going to be sizzling hot for Palabora, shooting to around 38 degrees. Hot as well for Mbombela, warming to around 34. We are expecting a high of around 29 degrees for Bloemfontein, but it's going to be much cooler for much of the Eastern Cape, where top temperatures in the mid to upper teens are expected. A warm to hot day for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, but it's going to be cool for Pietermaritzburg, peaking at around 22 degrees. It's going to be pretty breezy this afternoon along much of the east coast, winds gusting to 40 kilometers per hour around Richards Bay. Lighter winds for the Port Elizabeth area, where a high of 21 is expected. It's going to be mild as well for much of the southern interior, but warmer for the western sections. Friendedal warming to around 29 degrees. Highs in the lower 20s are expected along the south and the southwest coastline. Light to moderate winds along much of the south coast, and we're expecting swell heights of around 2.5 meters off the south coast, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to stay warm to hot for the northeastern areas of the Northern Cape, but cooler over the southern areas. Sutherland warming to around 22 degrees. A windy day is forecast along much of the west coast. Cape Town will experience winds blowing to around 35 kilometers per hour. A high of 22 is forecast for the mother city. Then looking ahead to your Saturday, it's going to be mostly sunny for the westernmost parts of South Africa. Thundershowers across the northeastern areas. It's going to be cloudy and rainy along much of the east coast.